Hello, and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on Learning Outcome 3 LO3, Understand the Rights of Shareholders and Minority Shareholders. In this video, we will explore the rights held by shareholders in companies, the differences between public and private company shareholders, and the protections available to minority shareholders. Public companies cannot completely exclude preemptive rights for existing shareholders. These rights allow shareholders to subscribe to new shares before outsiders. This is only limited for a short period. In contrast, private companies have more flexibility. This distinction is crucial for investor protection. Both public and private companies distribute profits from accumulated realized profits. Public companies face restrictions if net assets fall below share capital value. Private companies have fewer constraints. This ensures financial stability. Shareholders rely on these profits for returns. Shareholders vote at general meetings, influencing company decisions. Voting can be by show of hands or poll. Each shareholder usually gets one vote per share. Polls reflect true voting power. This system balances influence among investors. Under certain conditions, shareholders can demand a poll. This requires a minimum number of shareholders or percentage of voting rights. Proxies have similar rights. Poll requests must be timely. This ensures fair representation in decisions. Individuals become shareholders by subscribing during incorporation. They can also invest in new shares or acquire existing shares. Shareholders provide financial support for returns. They share in company profits. Ownership confers certain rights and responsibilities. Shareholders do not manage daily operations unless directors. They make key decisions through voting. Fewer shares mean fewer voting rights. The Companies Act grants various rights. Voting occurs at annual general meetings. Majority shareholders hold significant power. This can lead to minority exploitation. Protecting minority interests is essential. The Companies Act provides safeguards. Legal provisions ensure fairness. The government can appoint inspectors to protect minority rights. A certain percentage of shareholders can request this. Applications must be supported by evidence. If mistreatment is found, actions are taken. This process restores minority rights. Courts hear petitions from aggrieved shareholders. Applications are not dismissed without merit. Courts assess the impact on minority interests. Orders can alter resolutions or company conduct. This legal avenue provides recourse for minorities. Courts can cancel or modify resolutions. They may control company affairs. Articles of association can be amended. Courts issue orders as deemed fit. This ensures minority interests are safeguarded. Auditors play a crucial role in safeguarding interests. They investigate company affairs. Auditors ensure compliance with laws. Their reports influence court decisions. This oversight is vital for transparency. Companies often incorporate in different jurisdictions. This affects shareholder rights. International laws play a role. Cross-border regulations add complexity. Understanding these dynamics is crucial. Good governance protects shareholder interests. It involves transparency and accountability. Board members play a key role. Effective governance reduces conflicts. Shareholders benefit from strong oversight. Cybersecurity is crucial for protecting company assets. Boards must manage these risks. Shareholders rely on secure systems. Effective cybersecurity enhances trust. Companies must prioritize data protection. Conclusion: understanding shareholder rights is essential for informed investing. This video has emphasized the key aspects of shareholder protections, including voting rights and minority shareholder safeguards. By being aware of these rights, investors are better equipped to make empowered and responsible investment decisions. Questions? Reach out via WhatsApp at 07484361688. Our team is always happy to help. Thank you for your attention and see you at the next session.